create our single view application. So first of all, open our Xcode and open Xcode. So create new Xcode project and click. So showing some view is a single view and iOS and single view application selected, and create and add our project name, create project, and select Swift language, your object to see as per your requirement, and using storyboard and Swift UI. But Swift UI is the latest, but maximum project is created is storyboard. So selected is storyboard. Next, save destination as desktop. This is save, and the first interface our Xcode project, and set our display size. This is a project name, bundle identifier version is required uploading in App Store. So select version, phone, iPad. This is storyboard is main or launch screen. This two type of storyboard, and status bar color change and some other properties is identifier capabilities, and add notification your WhatsApp every time notification your new message, so add every capabilities, and some. But first, app delegate file launching time to call this function, and default project app life cycle all of the function. And this view controller file is this is the life cycle of view controller file, and this is storyboard. So create designing part of our project. Your design is programmatically otherwise storyboard and using XIB. Most of people use is storyboard to easy to design. First of all, label added and increase the size is 40, and title is hello. Adding place is center, and this assets folder to adding your images. This is a launch view screen. And this info list, camera permission, all of the added this permission, this info list. So print YouTube. The first of all, run our project to execute this function, calling this function our view controller cycle to select iPhone 11 Pro Max device and run our project. Starting simulator. So let's start simulator, and center point to print out hello. This is our project is successfully created, and print out YouTube. So I have successfully created our project. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel, and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.